guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm the Bishi girl next door. So today's video is going to be another product empties video, and I have around 70 products with me, and I'm going to tell you if I like the product or if I did not like the product, I'm going to repurchase it or no. So yeah, that's pretty much about the video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first product that I have in my hand, guys, I'm not going to tell anything about this product because you know what I feel about this product, and that is the Mamaearth Bring Amla hair mask. Here it comes again, yet another jar is over. I love this product, you know about it, and I'm not gonna say anything else about this product. It's a great product, I love it. I have repurchased it in the past and I will repurchase it in the future. There is nothing more that I want to add to this. So yeah, the very first product is the Mamaearth Bring Amla hair mask. The second product in my hand is another product that has been my staple for a very long time, and that is the Scent Ives Ka body lotion. I love this thing. It has a pump. It's very easy to use. It's very good. Like, it's very nourishing. The smell is very nice in this, and it is really worth every penny. I think you get it for $6.99, this huge bottle, but it's always on sale, and I have been using it I think continuously. In my last year's product empties also this was there. I'll have it linked somewhere on the top, so go give it a watch. I love this product, genuinely I love this product, and I have been repurchasing it ever since I got my hands on it. So definitely a big yes from my end. The next two products in my hands are again body yogurt and body lotion by Mamaearth, and I don't like this product, and I have made a full video on Mamaearth products. I again will have it linked on the top here. You can go give it a watch. I don't like these products for my specific reasons, which I'm not going to tell about in this video unnecessarily to make it longer. Just the gist is that this one you get for $4.99. It's a very small bottle. It has really strong smell, and I don't like this product because this is not moisturizing enough for me. And this one is moisturizing, but the consistency is something that I have an issue with. It is worth the price. It's $3.99, and I think you get enough amount of product in that. It has a pump. Everything is good, but it's just that the texture is something that I'm not a big fan of, and I will not repurchase this ever again. The next two products are shower gels, and these are the two new brands that I wanted to try. Like, new in the sense that I had not tried these before. These are not really new in the market. The first one is from Love Beauty and Planet, and this one comes for $4.50, and the product that you get is 400 ml. I think it's definitely worth every penny, and what I really like about this shower gel is that it has a very nice mild fragrance, but when you are taking a shower you're gonna feel really refreshed when you use this. So I think it's a big win. Also, the soap is such that it's really nourishing. Okay, of course they come in different variants, and the one that I use is this Muru butter and rose aroma. It is supposed to moisture, like it says that it is for moisturizing, and I definitely agree to that. Look, after using this my body doesn't feel really dry, and the best part is that I love the fragrance. That's what is something that I am a big fan of this product. Lathers really well. Really small amount of the product helps you to lather your whole body. Big fan of this, definitely going to repurchase. You should give it a try. And the other body wash that I have in my hand is by Plum, and this is the Plum Body Loving Shower Gel, and this variant is in Oopsie Daisy. I love the name, by the way. Definitely love this product. I think it's a bit costlier than the Love Beauty Planet one, because this is for $3.80 and the amount you get is just 240 ml, which could be a little pricey for a shower gel. But again, I want to say that very small product is enough, and the fragrance again is a game changer here. You feel like refreshed when you use this shower gel. I really loved it, and I already repurchased it, and in a different variant because I wanted to try other fragrance, and the one that I am using currently is the Hawaiian one. Loving that one also. So I think this range is something which is a bit expensive for a shower gel in my opinion, but still I really like it. And whenever I would want to like change fragrances, like I'm someone who doesn't like using the same shower products every time, so always keep changing it. And I think abhi main iske sare variants I'm gonna try. Really like this product. The next product that I have in my hand is a face wash, and this is by Face Shop, and this is their White Seed face wash. This product, actually, I'm not a big fan of, not because it's not a good product, okay? I know it's weird. It is a good product, and I have like used it अच्छे से, क्योंकि ये product अच्छा है. It doesn't dry out your skin. It cleanses your skin really well. But my problem with this is its price. I don't exactly remember the price. I think it's around 900 or 1000, which I feel is a lot for a face wash. And I feel ki Face Shop, the other variants that come, and like the Innisfree, like the Volcano one and the Jeju Volcanic one, and other variants that are available by Face Shop and Innisfree are cheaper, and I think it does the same job. So I will not repurchase this product, but the reason is not that this is not a nice product. It's just that I feel it's not worth the price. For a face wash, I don't want to spend 1000 and get the same result that I could get by spending just like, 600 and 700, because 400, 500 is a lot of money, and I want to invest it only if it's worth it. And the last and the final product in today's list is by Pond's, and this is the Pond's Micellar Water, and this is in the variant Hydrating Aloe Vera. You guys, I love this thing. It's so good, okay? This is a small bottle, and this is for 105, and I think I'm not really sure of the price, but it's really affordable by Pond's. If you have used Garnier Micellar Water, you want to like switch, because ये Garnier से थोड़ा expensive है. But I think these products are really nice. Like right now I'm using the charcoal one, and it really does the job. Even the waterproof makeup, usually I had to use that makeup remover balms, which is really messy, and I don't like using it because I don't use a lot of makeup. Like I never use base. Even for making videos, I hardly use base. So when I'm cleaning, I just want something very easy and good to go, something like this comes really handy, which could like take off my mascara, my liner, a little bit of shadow that I put, and lipstick and things like that. And I don't have to really go into the balm situation because it's a lot of effort to put, but I do want to clean my face, तो क्या करूँ वाला scene हो जाता था. But with this product, that has changed. I can just use this to clean my makeup. It really takes everything off really well. You just have to like leave that napkin or whatever you're using, थोड़ा सा dip करके, you just have to wait like for 2 minutes on your eyes and just swipe it. It really takes everything off. So I think drugstore में Garnier hai, but I really like this one because I like the texture, I like the smell of this, and the price difference is not major, so I don't mind going into this. Really love this product, and hence bought a bigger size of Pond's ka Micellar Water in charcoal flavor, which is again doing a great job. So yeah guys, that's pretty much about it. I just took 5-6 products this time because the last time I did product empties, it became really long, and I did not want to do that this time. So I made sure that थोड़े से ही products over हुए हैं, but I will make an updated product empties video and I'll put it on my channel because nobody wants to watch long videos, and I get your point. And yeah, that's pretty much about this video. I hope you like this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very happy. Also, happy winters.